For those of you who are who have subscribed to this channel, you will observe that there's an earlier video of this. And for the newcomers, I I entreat you to also subscribe to this channel to have more of these videos. This is the part two of hacks for startup businesses. So we'll continue from part one where we ended, and let's go. So we'll go to number five, creating a minimum viable product. What you do with this is that you develop a basic version of your product or service that you render with core features on it. Get early customer feedback to improve it before scaling it. Earlier on, my business startup was on web-based application, and what it does is that it's going to what teach students on how to program or to code. So I'm going to create a landing page. And what is a landing page? It's just an interface of a website where it presents more or less a prototype of what web-based application I'm going to use. So what I'll do is that I'm creating a landing page, and that landing page will serve as where I'll get my feedbacks from the customers. Yes. So number two, what you need to do is that you build a network and get mentors. You can achieve this by joining industry events and startup meetups to meet investors and partners. This by doing, you connect with successful founders on social media applications, which I recommend LinkedIn. You can also find mentors who has already built businesses, which I think that will be a guide for you. So those of you who are new, you can get in touch with me. I've placed my email. You can get in touch and I'll guide you on how you start up with your business. Number three, growth and sales hacks. So what you need to do to get your growth and your sales is what? Give referral programs, offer discounts or perks for customers who bring in new users. So if there are people who come who are already or who already knows your business and they bring in new customers, what you do is that you can give them a discount to encourage them. Create scarcity or agency. So for instance, how do I give discounts to people on my web-based application? So for students like this, I can create a discount for students where you come, I'll help build your application for you, your school project, on a discount amount that will help you. And then the next thing is to create scarcity of agency. While I have built the project based on a discount, I'm going to put the offer on a limited time where I can create scarcity of agency. So using these limited time offers, it can drive quick sales. The next thing to do is to leverage existing marketplaces. That is to sell on Etsy, Amazon, and Udemy before building your own platform. Number four, we'll move to number eight, retention and customer loyalty. First, you need to personalize onboarding or create a smooth experience with tailored emails and tutorials. Next, you create community-driven growth. Build a customer community on Discord, Slack, or Facebook. So for those who are also used to WhatsApp, I think WhatsApp too can be of great help where you can create groups that can you can let your customers join where you can get feedbacks from. Also, the next thing is to over deliver on customer services. How do you do this? Your fast response and the small surprises like free upgrades helps to build loyalty for customers. So this is the end of our video. Watch out for another part of a business hack where we'll identify certain problems that businesses faces. So I encourage you to stay up and subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Thank you.